is Craft Cuties, aka Paige. Sorry, I'm outside, and so I feel like a whole bunch of noise in the background, so yeah. I'm entering AG Lover 615 Squishy Wars, and yeah, so let's get started. I have this SpongeBob squishy. It doesn't have a lot of defects or anything. It's good for like phone use, and I got it from, I got from Amazon, and it's good for phones to put it on and stuff. It's stretchy, and yeah, he's like jogging on the beach and stuff. So yeah.